Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI. When we got a split head king size bed, I was worried about how we were going to find a mattress protector, but thankfully we found this one and it's amazing. This mattress protector is from the King Next store and it is really great quality. I love how thin it is because it does not inhibit the cooling feature of the bed. It still feels really cool while offering protection from any spills or any accidents that maybe our little one would have while sleeping with us. It's also very versatile because we have a 10-inch mattress, but this has some extra fabric to accommodate for a thicker mattress as well. I love that it's made out of bamboo, so it still keeps you cool and that it doesn't make any noise when you move around. So I highly recommend this mattress protector no matter the size of your bed, and that's my point of view.